Welcome to From Our Home to Yours, a cooking channel where professionals from Cooperative Extension show you how to cook recipes that are health promoting and that they love. I'm Carlin Raffi, an Extension Specialist with Virginia Cooperative Extension, and today I'm going to show you a recipe that I love, autumn salad. Salads are a great way to follow the dietary guidelines and eat a variety of vegetables every day. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 unpeeled apple sliced, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or orange juice, a bag of mixed lettuce greens, about 5 cups, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, regular or reduced in sugar, a 1/4 cup of chopped nuts, a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, and 1/3 cup of low-fat raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Before I get started, I'm going to wash my hands. Then I'm going to rinse the vegetables. Rinse your vegetables just with cold water. No soap necessary. Now I'm going to slice the apple. Any of a variety of apples can be used for this recipe depending on your preferences. You can use a sweeter apple like a Fuji or a Gala, or a tart apple like a Granny Smith. I'm going to use my favorite, Honeycrisp. There are many ways to core and slice an apple. In this case, we're going to leave the peel on the apple, and I'm going to use a handy device, an apple corer. Place the apple corer in the center of the apple, and then press down firmly. This cores the apple and slices it at the same time. These slices are a little too big, so I'm going to use my chef's knife to slice them more thinly and then chop them. I've placed the sliced apples in a bowl, and now I'll pour the lemon juice on the apples to stop them from browning. The acid in the lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar is often used on fresh cut vegetables and fruits for this effect. Keep the apples in the refrigerator until time to mix them with the salad. You can use any salad greens you like in this recipe. Salad greens vary in their nutrient value as well as their flavor. For instance, iceberg lettuce is sweet and crispy, but is one of the least nutrient-dense lettuces. In contrast, arugula and watercress are peppery, but more nutritious. In general, dark greens will provide you a good source of vitamin A, C, K, folate, potassium, and fiber. In this recipe, I'm using a spring mix. To the greens, we add nuts and sunflower seeds. Nuts and seeds are a good source of vitamin E and unsaturated fat. I've chosen to add walnuts to this salad, which are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. We also add the unsalted sunflower seeds. For a bit of sour and sweet, the recipe also calls for dried cranberries. Cranberries are a good source of fiber and antioxidants. The dried cranberries come in low sugar form as well. I've used a 50% reduced sugar cranberry in this recipe. Now we add the final 2 ingredients, the apples and the low-fat raspberry dressing. Add the dressing right before serving, and be sure to measure it to control the calories and the fat. This is a delicious, hearty salad that makes a complete meal when combined with a soup or a sandwich. So that's today's recipe, from our home to yours.